corruption and the billions of tax dollars that have been mismanaged by this administration. Our young people are looking on, and we see these acts go unpunished, ministry after ministry, board after board, time and time again. We see millions being allocated for gratuitous projects while we're left to fend for ourselves and find solutions, which may not always be ideal. And it appears, colleagues, that this government does not have its priorities right. I'm not making this up. This is what young people are saying. And we would be blind to not see that the behavior by public officials is one of the contributing factors that contribute to the growing disinterest that youth have in Jamaica. Young people are looking for transparency. They're looking for accountability from those who have been elected to serve them.